Our dear Muslim, where are you? What are you doing? Are you drinking? Are you sitting? Or are you sleeping? The cartoon picture of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is being shown in France. I want to ask to Prime Minister of France and his people, do you know Muhammad? Who is Muhammad? Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our bone. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our blood. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our heart. Not only this, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the life of all Muslims, there is no doubt. Muhammad is our noble. Do you know what can we do for Muhammad? We can give our head for Muhammad. We can give our eyes for Muhammad. We can give our tongue for Muhammad. We can give our hands for Muhammad. We can give our legs for Muhammad. We can give our blood for Muhammad. We can give our body for Muhammad. We can give our life for Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Oh dear atheist people of France, do you know who are Muslims? Do you know who are Muslims? If you want to know about Muslims, certainly, yet first, you have to read the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You have to read the life of Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu. You have to read the Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. You have to read the life of Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu. You have to read the life of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. You have to read the life of Khalid bin Walid radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Finally, you have to read the life of Muhammad bin Qasim. You have to read the life of Muhammad bin Qasim. What can we do? What can we say? Nothing. We can do many things. We can do many things. Oh my dear Muslim brother and sister, come on, let's boycott the France. Boycott the France from every country, from every division, from every district, from every union, from every village, from every state. Not only this, we have to boycott the France from all over the world. I have boycotted. Have you boycotted? I have boycotted. Have you boycotted?